So if only these containers could talk, huh? I mean, where do you think this thing has been in its life? It looks like it's like 30 years old. How many trips, how many stories does this container have to tell of its antics on ships bringing Chinese stuff to the States? It's a good question. We'll never know the answer. But there you go. The shipping container is installed. It was sketchy buying one of these things online because, you know, you're buying something online that is considerably expensive, although the prices have come down immensely on these things. This was like a third of what they were going for, say 3-4 years ago, probably 4 years ago. So if you're going to buy a container, I'd say now's the time, because I don't think the 40 footers are going to get much cheaper than this. So out the door, I think it was 2,800 bucks. I mean, still a lot of money, but you're not going to get that much storage much cheaper some other way. So if you're thinking about buying a container, I'm got a big dip there. I'm gonna get some rocks or something underneath that, but hopefully this thing doesn't sink too far into Mother Earth before I get a chance to deal with the leveling it up and everything. So, I mean, feels pretty secure. I don't think it's going anywhere. For some reason there's tape over my vent. I don't know why that would be. Why would that be? It's got some rust spots here and there. It's definitely got some salt damage. Kind of looks like my Jeep. But if you're thinking about getting a container, now why is that vent covered up? That's weird. If you're thinking about getting a container, I'd say now's your chance, because these things are not going to go much lower than this price-wise. Last minute we decided to put some gravel underneath it. We decided last minute to get some gravel underneath it, which I think was a good choice, because this is getting kind of muddy here. So those beams, just ignore that. I'm gonna have to level it up someday with a real level and see where we're at, but it looks like it's fairly flat to me. I don't know. Of course, I forgot to level, so I wasn't able to level it up. But that's for another day. I may pick up some of those bottle jack lifter things from Amazon for 60 bucks, just to just in case I have to move it. But yeah, man, the stories this thing could tell, huh? What does this say? What does that even say? Crazy. The story this container could tell. I mean, just the story this thing could tell, right? It's just nuts. I mean, what do you think this thing has been through? How many trips across the Pacific and wherever in the Atlantic? I mean, we got it at the East Coast, so obviously this thing's been around the town. All right, man, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and that's it for now. Signing out. I gotta go do something else.